Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Guys, today I just did a simple glowy look. I would call this makeup on the go. So if you're in an hurry, you don't have any time to do your eyeshadows or anything, this is the perfect makeup tutorial for you. So guys, just stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve this look. Guys, I'm just gonna go straight into it. As you can see, I already went ahead and did my brows off camera. If you want to see my updated brow routine, you can go ahead and click the link down in the description box below. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundations, and the two foundations that I'll be using is the Maybelline SuperStay foundation in the color 334 and the Mary Kay Time Wise foundation in the color bronze number 7. And these foundations are both mattifying foundations because I have oily skin, so I try my best to use mattifying foundations as much as possible to cut back on that grease in my skin. After doing my foundation, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to conceal my face, and then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fitme concealer, and I'm going to add that under my eyes to brighten them a little bit. The parts that I've highlighted are the under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and also my cupid's bow and my chin. As you can see guys, a major key to makeup is blending, so I'm going in and I'm ensuring that my concealer is blended properly so that it does not look cakey or anything. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Jet Black, and I'm going to use that to create a nice little wing, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. I am now going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use that to set my highlighted areas. Then I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in the color Dark Tan, and I'm going to use that to bronze up my face and also dust off the excess baking, dust off the baking powder. I'm going to go in with my Revitalizing Rose Mist, and I'm going to use that to set my face, and then go in with my Maybelline Chrome Highlighter to highlight my face. So I'm going to be highlighting the highest parts of my cheek, down the bridge of my nose, and on the tip of my nose. And then I'm going to go in with a black Opal lipstick in red, and I'm going to use that on my lips. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave your comments. Thank you. Bye.